At RiverSource, we provide science and policy education to advance the skills for building watershed and climate resilience. In the Watershed Academy, we bring together elders, youth, and cutting-edge science to increase river, forest, and land health. Let's hear what some of our interns had to say about their experience.
Doing this internship has given me the opportunity to be educated on the rivers and forests around Santa Fe and how to preserve them. This experience has impacted me by making me aware of what's happening to the land around me wherever I go.
This internship was an amazing experience and gave me the opportunity to deepen my love for the environment around me.
Each aspect of this internship has overwhelmed me with a vast amount of knowledge and value. Above all, working with the youth is what captivated my interest. The work we did and the seeds we planted will eventually develop into something more profound.
We're applying for grants to greatly expand our crews by 40% to drought and fire impacted communities in New Mexico. We know the grants don't cover all expenses, so we need people like you to make that happen. So please contribute today